Toxcox.
Plenty talk with Toxcox. Tell us your story, come make we hear. From the first day to the last year. Splash Friday, I feel that way. Podcast people, sharp and brave. Plenty talk with Toxcox. Plenty talk with Toxcox. Tell us your story, we dey here. Plenty talk with Toxcox. Plenty talk with Toxcox. Splash Friday comes and we chill. From Lagos to Port Harcourt, the voices rise. Real talk, sweet talk, no disguise. Bring your truth now, let it land. One mic, one moment, one big bang. Oh, plenty talk with Toxcox. Plenty talk with Toxcox.